Hey guys, welcome back to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to fix the volume on Zoom. So guys, first things first is go ahead and open the Zoom application into your computer. And now, once you are here guys, you can just simply go ahead and go for the settings down below on the bottom left side of the screen, the gear icon. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go for the audio. Here on the audio, guys, if you are having with your volume, as you can see, we have the speaker. And the problem with this is that it is selected as my microphone. So guys, just make sure you have your speakers or your output on the right device. So here, as you can see, I have speakers. So make sure to select your speakers so you won't have any issue, and you can test it out as well, and it will play some music. And you will have multiple options as well, like turning this on based on your preferences. And we will have our microphone. Now if it still doesn't work out guys, you could also go for the system settings, go for the audio over here, and go for this one, select sound output, and guys, make sure to select the speaker. And pretty much that's all you could do. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.